Hi, I'm Rose Elizabeth Thomas, and I'm currently pursuing my master's in advertising, public relations, and corporate communication from Sharda University. Basically, my classes are well structured and modern infrastructure. It has been used. We do have AC smart classes, so it's very important and it's very essential for a student being in North India because it's too hot and harsh the climate too. As a master's student in advertising, public relations, and corporate communication, we do have class timings from 9 to 4:30 p.m. And the thing is, we have mainly 7 to 8 kinds of sessions per day, as well as we have some breaks too. And the criteria of attendance is really strict. It will becomes under 75%, and it's mandatory for write the exams and everything. We should attend the classes regularly as per the normal weeks while comparing to our exam weeks. As we all know, during the exam weeks, we have a lot of projects to do in audio visual, as well as in advertising sector, as well as in doing dummy press conferences as a PR student. So it's quite hectic, but we can manage the time. That's way how the student life works in a campus. Usually, we are following a curriculum of, from January to May, and we do have 2 months of summer breaks as usual. So we can do some summer internships or something like that. Then again, come back from July to December. So we have a week off, New Year and Christmas Eve, and then again back to January. In our campus, we do have football ground, cricket ground, and everything, but I prefer the indoor badminton court because where me and my friends were playing the badminton together, and it's quite a lesser time for all of us. The thing is, I'm a picky eater, so I usually choose the places to eat from the campus itself. I prefer Amalco. It's a cafe, and also the Creed is good, as well as the Subway. I really love the Subway because I'm a vegetarian too, so it's really nice. Basically the campus life is okay here, and mainly for the events, they are doing great. The average package was 3 LPA. From my experience, personal experience from Sharda University, overall the campus life, as well as comparing to my placement cell, I would rate 3 out of 5. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you.